everyone, welcome back. Today's video is this MILTON Comet water bottle. So let's get started. MRP of this one is 430 rupees, but we got it from Amazon for 242 only, and it comes well packed in a bubble wrap. This is stainless steel water bottle and it has a stunning black design with a matte like finish on the top, and it comes with a spout lid, a convenient flip-flop spout lid which is easy to open. And this 1000 ml bottle is single walled, it's rust proof and 100% leak proof. So before using it, remove this dehydrant sachet inside, and the weight isn't mentioned anywhere on the pack, but it's quite lightweight. And at the bottom there is this grip with the soft foam, so it won't leave any mark on the table or counter. Plus it gives a good grip, so smart feature by MILTON. And it comes with 1 year warranty. Note this bottle isn't insulated one, so it won't keep water hot or cold for a long time. It maintains the room temperature. It's 100% leak proof, but use it only for water and juice. It's not recommended for carbonated drink. And clean it with simple soft brush, and store it with the lid open. It's a great product. Yeah, I mean, even for the kids, for the office, you can definitely give it a try, and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.